What's more American than dynamite?
Hi guys, this is Emma from HomesteadHow, and I'm proud to be an American. Learn how to build a rustic flag and see some of our favorite patriotic movie clips. And watch my dad blow up dynamite.
Hey! Look! Go 9 3/4 and do a little arrow like that. See that? Little arrow. Just a happy little arrow.
My plane. Today, we celebrate our Independence Day.
Later than that.
Just the edges.
You know what I mean? It's kind of like it's wavy. We're Team USA, gathered from all across America. And we're gonna stick together. You know why?
Because we are ducks, and ducks fly together.
That's right, Jan.
And now the grand finale. Yes, the time has come for the greatest show on earth to provide a most spectacular finale.
I just got a really good patriotic idea. I hid my iPad in the living room. Girls are home sick from school today. See if I still got one. You see that? That's a third stick of dynamite. And my wife has no idea I'm about to blow it up. What's more American than dynamite? I may need an ambulance after this. I go to snow. I got my iPad set up in there. Hey! Look! You see that? Yeah, she sees it. You thought I blew myself up with the torch?
Yes! You're such an ass!
Did you hear it in here?
Yes, are you taping me?
Yeah.
God bless America. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you want to purchase this flag from our Etsy store.